local time, where the local time is 35 past 1. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the airplane has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful when opening overlocking the items of your luggage may have become lost during the flight. Rules of your smoke, please refrain from doing so until you find a smoking area. For more information on new routes, Sinop's fares and also car hire, please visit Ryanair.com, where we guarantee the lowest car rental prices. Finally, on behalf of Ryanair and the entire crew, first of all, I'd like to apologize for this delay. We hope it did not cause too much inconvenience in travel arrangements. And last but not least, thank you for choosing to fly with us this morning. It was a real pleasure having you on board, and we hope to see you soon on another Ryanair flight. Wishing you all a safe journey, or indeed a very pleasant stay in Cyprus. Once again, from all of us on board, thank you, and have a lovely weekend. And last but not least, on behalf of the entire crew, I'd like to wish the best of luck to both French and Flemish Belgium taekwondo teams. They're going to participate in the tournament this weekend, so all the best.